Hi and hello, this is Vinod Ketra from Triada YouTube channel. Today we are going to see one of the easiest mission from Hackthebox. The name of the mission is Bash. So in the name of the mission itself, we need to guess what type of the vulnerability is available in this mission. So I have guessed that there is a bash means there is a web shell called a PHP bash. That shell is available in one of the web directory. So let's move to the POC. So I have done the ping the mission whether it is live or dead. So the currently the mission is on live and confirmed as a Linux mission. I go through the nmap scan. There is only one port is open, that is port 80. The version of the port 80 is HTTP 2.4.18. The services is HTTP. It's a Ubuntu based mission and I have enumerated the mission in web browser given the IP and there is called a PHP bash and say something. I have go to the derbuster or derb or any directory browsing tool. Notice that there is one directory called development. I have go to Nicto and some of the directories are visible in this Nicto itself. There is a directory listing vulnerability available in this website. Notice that in this dev directory there is two files. One is php bash.min.php. Don't go to that file and go to second file php bash.php. So it is a web-based control. So I have entered some of default commands. If config who am I, uh, the command is executing properly in the web-based shell, but it is not intermediate. I mean user comfortable shell. I have inserted my Python reverse shells and executed my shell using the listener netcat 1234 port. I have confirmed the machine is the same machine as bashed, and this is the flag one which was in the directory of Araxel. And privilege escalation, I have done some basic commands sudo minus l. It says like a script manager has all permissions. I have entered this command but it's not worked. I have go to kernel version and check the kernel is it in the exploit db and have uploaded in my local temp directory and I have compiled in my local machine itself and I have uploaded the output file. So once the file is uploaded, I have executed the file. So finally I got the root shell. So this is the root shell. Have checked the IP. The IP is confirmed as this machine, and this is the flag 2. I have shown the credentials. Finally, housekeeping. So whatever file you have uploaded, you need to clear all those things. So thanks for watching. If you would like to support me, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.